Good morning. This is Mrs. Cox, and it's Monday, and I'm going to give you your Origo math lesson for today. It's the last day of November, and we are starting 3-1, and it's numbers representing three-digit numbers with zeros. So if you'll turn to page 82 and 83 in your math book, and I will go over what you need to do. It says step in. What number does the picture of blocks show? And you'll see that there's two purple squares, which represent 100 because there's 10 tens. And then there's just 6 ones. So you would put how many hundreds? 2. Is there any tens? There's not. So it'd be 0. And then they would be the 6 ones. So, you would write 206. What does the 0 mean? There is no value in the tens, so it's just 206 is how you'd say it. 206. You don't say the 0 when you read the number out loud. Right underneath that, it says, what does the 0 mean in each of these numbers? And there is a line of 6 numbers, 20. If you said that it was 2 tens and 0 ones, that's right. What does the 0 mean in 105? That means 100, no tens, and 5 ones. 60, 6 tens, 0 ones. 140, 100, 4 tens, 0 ones. And 507, 5 100s, 0 tens, and 7 ones. And the last one is 230, 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and no ones. Step up is below that. It says color blocks to match the number on the expander. So you're going to color the blocks that match the words. 502 is how many it says. So you would color the hundreds, and if there's 0, you don't color any of those, and then the 2. So you on this one, A, color 5 of the hundreds, 0 tens, and 2 ones. And if you'll finish that with go ahead and do the same with B and C. If you'll turn to the next page, 83, number 2, I'm going to have you look at the blocks, write the matching numbers on the expanders. So look at the blocks, look and see if there's hundreds, and then write that under hundreds. See if there's any tens, write that under tens, and then see if there's any ones. Then you're going to just push those numbers together and write. And do that with A, B, C, and D. I'll do A for you. There's 4 100s, no tens, and 5 ones. So you would write 4 under the hundreds, 0 under the tens, and 5 under the ones. So that those blocks represent 400 and 5. 405. Do the same with B, C, and D. Step ahead is at the bottom. Use only these digits. Write all the different 2-digit numbers, numerals, and 3-digit numerals that you can. Digits can be used more than once. So you're going to write 0, 1, 2. And you're going to go ahead and write all the different 2 digits and 3-digit numbers that you can. And that is all we have today on our math. Just 2 pages. So if you'll just complete page 82 and 83. If you have any problems, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.